In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Drive link to share your videos with other people. And basically what we have to do is we have to log into our Google Drive account. If you not are there yet, then you can go to Google, check if you are logged into your Google account. After that, just search for Google Drive and you will find this upper link. Just click on it and you will be redirected to your Google Drive. After that, we have to add a video file. So we will upload a file to our drive and we will go to videos. Let's say we would like to upload this one. Now currently it's uploading and now you can see it's uploaded. So we will show file location and there you will find the video we have uploaded. If you would like to share this video with people, just go to the three dots on more actions and there you will find to share. And what we can do, there are two options. We can use the first one to add people into this file so they can view it anytime with their Gmail when they're logged in. Or you can just copy the link and share it to people so they can view your video you have uploaded. That's it, now you know how to share videos with people through Google Drive.